Hello everyone, and welcome to the very last video in Volume 1 from the XNA 101 Xtreme class. Logan and I just wanted to take a minute and thank those of you that managed to make it through all of the videos in this volume. There was quite a bit of content, about 60 hours worth of stuff. I really hope that you guys found this, well, to be very educational, very powerful content. Let me try to find a place to put the mouse where it doesn't keep flickering. There we go. So yeah, in Volume 2, we managed to cover object-oriented programming in some extreme detail. I mean, we've taken a look at polymorphism, we've taken a look at inheritance, we've looked at encapsulation, we've looked at so many things. We've done quite a few knowledge reviews, we've done some little games, we did the full DAG, which was awesome, and then finally we wrapped everything up with the precision game where we walked through the complete implementation and coding process to get the whole thing working. So it's been quite a journey. So far between Volume 1 and Volume 2, we are really close to 90 hours worth of content, and we've still got several more, at least 6 more volumes lined up for the 101 class, so there's a lot of stuff yet to come. If you've only purchased Volume 2, well, take a look at Volume 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 when they come out. And Logan, is there anything you want to add in?
Just to say that it's been an interesting journey to go through from programming basics to working games. It's nice to have that all wrapped into one continuous form of training. To go from how to program and then to back that up with actual examples, with meaningful games.
Yeah.
So we've got things where knowledge reviews where we did small mini games, but then wrapped everything up into one complete game in the Precision project.
I'm very pleased with it. I'm really happy with the way the XNA Xtreme 101 class is turning out. And the people that are in the class over at 3dbuzz.com, fantastic people. Been a lot of fun working with those students. So I can't wait to see how Volume 3 turns out, and I look forward to seeing you guys here really soon. So with that, we'll wrap up Volume 2. Thanks a lot, everyone.